Hey, it's Jay Cruz here, and you're about to discover how to dominate any niche, market, or industry through the power of video with less time, effort, or cost than ever thought possible. You're going to discover the exact kind of videos that you should be making, and most importantly, how to get those videos made in just minutes each. And that's assuming no experience, tech, or design skill. And it eliminates the need for expensive freelancers or any editing software at all whatsoever. In fact, as soon as you're done here, you'll be able to produce your very own engaging, attention-grabbing videos built to educate, inform, or promote anything that you would want. To boost your conversions and sales, get more customers, clients, patients, readers, watchers, subscribers, anything. And let's start with why is video so important, right? Well, it captures attention, and because it engages people better than anything else out there right now. And there's one video format used by some of the biggest media outlets in the world for exactly that purpose. The video bulletin, or vid bullet for short. Okay, so you can actually create a vid bullet in minutes. So sit back and just watch. First, log in to your vid bullet account. Now, VidBullet, remember, is 100% cloud-based, right? So you can do this from any machine or device on any system anywhere in the world with an internet connection. It also means that you won't have to invest in a powerful computer system with expensive video cards and enough RAM to choke a horse, right? VidBullet, then, is simple to use. And first, we'll choose a single template. We then give our VidBullet a title. The square template works really well for Facebook, by the way. Especially for ads, so let's start right there. And it's then really simple to edit our own text, right? And for images, you get access to thousands upon thousands of high-quality images from the searchable VidBullet content library. Again, all absolutely for free, which is pretty awesome. Of course, you can make any adjustments that you like. It's super easy, and you can see your edits appear in real time, which really helps. You can move between scenes with a single click and preview as you need. And literally, that is it. Just click to generate the video, and VidBullet puts it together in the cloud. So once it's ready, you can download your VidBullet or publish to your very own YouTube or Vimeo channels. And just like that, you have a powerful piece of video content ready to get views, drive traffic, and of course, make sales, whatever you need, right? It's really that simple, and you can now do it over and over and over again. So if you're ready to create your first VidBullet, click below to order right now, and you can create VidBullets in minutes. Fact is, people love video, right? That's why millions of videos are being created and uploaded each and every day. Over 500 hours of content is actually uploaded to YouTube every single minute, believe it or not. Search and you'll find tons of statistics telling you how essential video is to marketing nowadays. And odds are, well, yeah, you probably already know this, right? And that's exactly why you're here. You're looking for a better alternative, a better way to create the videos that you need, but won't cost you hundreds of dollars or take days to get produced. That's exactly where VidBullet comes in. So what is the best way to use VidBullet to grow your business? And more importantly, what makes VidBullet different from everything else out there? Well, first of all, it's important to recognize an important reality, that the internet is made up entirely of connected content. So the more content you create, the greater share of the internet you take, right? And video is the most consumed content of all. In fact, 60% of all internet use is dedicated to watching video. So imagine what would happen if you didn't produce content, right? But you put your focus completely and only on video content. And imagine then if you didn't just use any style of video, but the most engaging style of video that exists right now, the VidBullet. Now, aside from knowing what kind of video to create, the number one thing holding most people back from creating video in general is the time, the cost, and the skill that's typically required. That's why video production is big business right now. And for those of you who use, do-it-yourself video solutions, of which there are many, it can be overwhelming. The sheer number of features and options available are just never-ending. And these are all huge barriers that we decided to remove. VidBullet lets you create a massive amount of high-quality video content with just a few clicks, produced in the most engaging video style, used by the biggest media outlets in the world for maximum impact. And VidBullet takes just minutes to create and removes the issue of cost because, I mean, here's the deal. You can produce as many as you want. There's no need for complicated editing, and you can use as much or as little creativity as you want. Thanks to its guided creation process, you'll still be able to create powerful videos every single time. And the more videos you produce, the greater share of the internet that you take, and the more money you can make as a result. VidBullet is so good that thousands of people and businesses are already using the platform. So if you're ready to join them and grow your business, click the button below and place your order. You'll see for yourself plenty of examples of VidBullets on this page for all types of businesses, niches, and use cases as well. So let's create another. Maybe we want to grow a content empire and build a video traffic engine. One of the most powerful ways to do that is content curation. So first, we can take a completely blank template, right? We click to add an appropriate image, so we can now search the image library one more time. And I like the look of this one, okay? So we're going to select that one, and then I'd like to, add some text, just something short, something snappy. We can give it a quick animation, and then we'll add another scene. And now, as you can see with your own eyes here, there are dozens and dozens of preloaded scenes ready for you to select. So you don't really need to apply any creativity, I should say, here at all. For now, though, we can just choose a blank scene, and then we'll select the content we're going to be curating, which we uploaded earlier. And of course, then we can choose one more scene to close. We can do this one over here, edit our text with a call to action, and I think I'd like to keep the call to action on there just a little longer, so we'll just adjust the timing slightly right there, and bam, done. So that's our curation video done in what, 2 minutes, less? And you can do this with any content out there. You can curate like this, can create summaries of articles or other videos. Whatever you use VidBullet for, it's exceptionally easy to use and also makes the best economic sense. Look, straight up, video production is typically expensive, right? You've already seen what freelance video producers charge out there. And if you wanted to get a good editing software, you're looking at paying hundreds of dollars. Plus, you need a machine powerful enough to run it in the first place, as video software is very resource intensive. Not to mention the time it takes to learn and master them well enough to produce something even mildly watchable. Now, VidBullet lets you build great videos in next to no time with practically no extra effort, with next to no skill or experience, for next to nothing in terms of price, right? That's because instead of charging you every month, right now, you can get lifetime access to VidBullet for one single one-time fee. Now, that investment, by the way, pays off more and more the more you use it. VidBullet is designed for massive output, so you can outproduce and outpace all of your competitors. And if you don't want to put in even that much time, well, it's easy enough to use. You can hire someone for a few bucks to use VidBullet on your behalf and produce videos all day long. The choice is yours. So, it's time to make a decision. Number one, do it yourself. Invest in a video editing program and a computer powerful enough to run it. Then study and practice until you've mastered video production yourself. You'll probably, let's face it, create some good-looking videos if you're creative enough, but it's still going to take a lot of time every single time. Or number two, hire a professional. Less work for you, of course, assuming they manage themselves well, they know what they're doing. But of course, unless they're using VidBullet themselves, it's still going to take them a while. Plus, there's the costs to think about. And then choice number three, get your copy of VidBullet today, just like thousands of others have already done, for a single one-time fee. You get lifetime access to VidBullet, including all future updates, which will be grandfathered into. You get access to our massive searchable content library, so you can add images, animated GIFs, soundtracks, and it won't cost you anything extra. You get automatic voiceovers across a number of languages and dialects. You can stamp your brand on your VidBullets or the brand of any business that you're working with. And of course, with VidBullet, you give yourself the ability to produce an endless quantity of high-impact videos with the guidance to use that video to grow your business. And since you found the offer on this page, to get VidBullet at the best possible price, you're also going to be getting a few additional perks absolutely for free. These perks, by the way, are going to help you create better VidBullets, get more traffic, more exposure, and more visibility. In other words, they're going to help you make a lot more money. So take a look on the page right now. And it's time to probably ask yourself, okay, even if you used VidBullet just once to create a single solid video, would it be worth it? Well, you've got a 30-day, 100%, no issue money-back guarantee that's on your side as well. So go ahead, get your copy of VidBullet today, choose the option that's right for you, and put the power of VidBullet firmly in your hands. Thank you, and see you on the